Hey Dal, thanks again for sharing your piece. Once again, I really enjoyed reading your writing. You definitely have a way with words. Um, I really liked how you leveled with your students. Um, for example, like right here when you said, when you asked how many of them read or liked poetry, and you kind of didn't really get a response, but then um, asked if they liked hip hop, and more of them were like, yeah, yeah. So that was really cool that you made that comparison for them to their real lives. Um, I wonder if, well, I said that I think that your use of the mentor text, especially one of your own texts, to kind of point out the poetic devices that they could use in their own writing, and make them aware of that, and kind of again leveling with them and showing, hey, here's my personal work and here's the things like that I tried to do in it, was really awesome. I wonder if your narrative in and of itself would be a little bit more clear of the purpose of your lessons if you mentioned your target somewhere in there, for this lesson and then for your future lessons, where you wanted to go with that lesson. I know you said very briefly here at the end that you plan to return for their first drafts and discussion, and then again for your rewrite. But it might be nice if, like in your lesson plan here, you pointed out that students will become acquainted with the poetic elements. That was clear in this one. But then in your future lessons that they're going to compose their own poems or songs. I just wonder if that would make the narrative a little bit more clear about how you went about teaching this lesson. But again, overall great writing. I really enjoyed reading it. I thought you did a great job. Thank you.